Hello students, now it's time for your summer vacation homework of mathematics. You all know your summer vacation of mathematics is divided into 4 sections. The first one is learning oral section, the second one is written work section, the third one is activity and project work, and the fourth one is SSHW. In your learning oral section, you have given 5 assignments for learning. The first one is learn multiplication table from 11 to 20. The second one is learn Roman numerals from 1 to 100. The third one is learn Indian and international system of numeration. In Indian and international system of numeration, you have to learn how to put comma in both system of numeration and how to write in words in both system of numeration. Our fourth learning assignment is learn divisibility test rules. Divisibility test rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Our last learning assignment is learn prime and composite numbers. You have to learn the definitions of prime and composite numbers. Our next section of homework is written work section. This written work section homework must be completed in your PC copy of mathematics in good handwriting. In this section also you have given 5 written assignments. The first one is write multiplication table from 1 to 20. The second one is write Roman numerals from 1 to 100. The third one is define prime and composite numbers. The fourth one is write prime numbers between 1 to 100, and the last written assignment is write composite numbers between 1 to 100. Now our third section of homework is activity and project work. In activity and project work you have given 2 assignments. The first one is write divisibility test rules on a chart paper, and the second one is make a table showing basic Roman symbols on a chart paper. What you have to do is you have to take 2 chart papers. In first chart paper you have to write divisibility test rules of the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And in second chart paper you have to make a table of basic Roman symbols. You all know the basic Roman symbols are 7 symbols. They are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. What you have to do, you have to make 2 columns on the chart paper, and in first column you have to write Hindu Arabic numbers, that is 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. In second column you have to write Roman numerals, and you have to write below it I, V, X, L, C, D, M beside the Hindu Arabic numerals. And also you have to write your name, class, roll number, section on both chart paper below the chart papers. Now our last homework is self-search homework. Self-search homework you have to do on self by using internet. What you have to do, you have to take a A4 size paper, which is also known as photocopy paper. First you have to paste photo of the famous mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan on the top of the paper. Below it you have to write short notes about the famous mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, including his birth, birthplace, education, achievements and contribution in the fields of mathematics. In this way you have to complete your summer vacation homework of mathematics. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.